Hey everyone and welcome back to Mum's Eye View. I'm Ian from Haste Kitchen and today I'm going to show you to do some really simple canapes. I'm going to show you to make 3 of these. If you want to know how to make the other 7, so there's 10 altogether, go along to the Asda website or get the Asda magazine and that will show you the rest of the recipes. So we're going to get started with, we're going to do a wasabi beef with a little bit of pureed peas on some toast. We've got a little bit of a mango type salsa with a chilli with a little poppadom and coriander. And then we've also got these lovely apples wrapped up in prosciutto ham, or you can use Parma ham if you want, a little bit of mascarpone and a little sprinkle of pepper. So there we go, there's my 3 simple canapes for you. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. Remember to subscribe to the channel. It's a fantastic channel with loads of different recipes and bits and pieces, all for you mothers out there. So go and subscribe up the top there, and I shall see you soon. Cheers then, bye-bye.